No, I put it down.
Alfondi, do you have a question? Okay. Now, I'm recording a new one. Okay. So we are then going to be introduced to another Git term called Git squash. Git squash. Okay. Git squash. What Git squash do is in Git means to combine multiple commits into one. You've been doing your work, and it's always good that when you make a little change, you commit. You make a little change, you commit. It's only the time that you've committed that Git has recorded your change. If you don't commit, Git is not recorded. Okay. And when Git records a change, it gives each change. It's basically Git commit is the save button for GitHub, if I can put it that way. If you didn't commit, the Git doesn't know. Anything can happen, and all the job work that you've done is not there. So if you're doing something, step one, commit. Step two, commit. All of that. But now, when you push this to the world or everybody else in your team to GitHub, they will see that you actually made a change to file, and your commit messages are all saying made a change to file. Chris, it should have been made a change to this file, made a change to that file, made a change to that file. So currently your commit messages are all saying the same thing. It's okay, but it confuses people. Actually, this is a good example because if you push this information that you're putting here, it's not going to help anybody in GitHub. Made a change to file, made change to file, made change to file. What is it all about? If I want to know exactly what you did to this file at that time, this information is actually not good enough. It has to be made a change to our forms file, added my name, my food, or something like that. Good information, remember, because you're working in a team. What we're going to do is to add all these commits into one and have just one commit. So we're going to change GitHub to say that all these 5-6 commits that we've done, we're going to put it into one. And we're going to put one meaningful information about that commit and say that we updated all files and added the food I like best, top 4 food I like best to all files, everybody's file. One information, one commit instead of 6. And we're going to use Git squash. Guys, we are all going to learn. Okay, so I'm going to share my screen. No. Okay.
Stop
Can
sharing.
you come out? Don't stop sharing. Can you come out of your Git log? So Q, type Q, press Q.
Okay. Oh. It's not coming out. Control
Just
C.
quit. Q. You need to press the click inside the terminal first and Q. If you click outside, yeah, and then Q.
Okay.
Good. Sometimes you have clicked somewhere so that the cursor is not in the terminal. There are different ways and tools when it comes to squashing commits. Okay. We're going to talk about the interactive rebase and the merge. These are the two main ways of squashing a commit. Okay. You can manually squash commits at any time using Git interactive rebase. And then when you dip into interactive rebase, goes beyond the scope anyway. So let's say that you completed your work, and as I've discussed, I'm reading someone's document, guys. And now you want to merge it back into one main branch. Before doing so, you'd like to clean up and squash the new commit into a single one. Okay. So we have currently done 6 commits today. So to start an interactive rebase session, okay, don't do it yet, everybody. Okay, don't do it yet. Eddie, you can type git rebase, git space rebase. Tab space -I, which is interactive. It means that I want it to do this in the interactive way. Space head. Head should be capital letters. Capital H-E-A-D. And then tilde. Now, this is where the problem comes. Who knows tilde? Ah, there you go. This guy is called tilde. Who knew about this? I think Alphonse knows, John Luke should know. Anyway, we are not here because of tilde. And you add 3.
3.
Yeah.
Yeah.
This is the command. Okay. Can everybody put it in a Word document? Can you copy this and open a text file? No, just the git with the git. Just with the git.
With the key. Oh, yeah.
Yeah. So, and click the plus button. Or you can put, you can actually put it in this file if you can.
This file, yeah. Week 4. Oh, it's week 4.
So week. Oh, did I refresh the page? I've made changes. Go down. Oh, I didn't. Okay, let me make it week 4. Yeah, changed, made. Go down, and then put. We are doing edit, enter, and put squash. Type squash. You can't edit it, can you?
I can't. No.
Okay. Get squashing, squash. So I'm doing it, squash. Can you see me type? Yeah.
Yeah.
And the command is this. So this one is interactive.
Yeah.
Okay, go back to the terminal.
Yeah. The spelling of squash, I think, is wrong.
SQAUA. Yeah.
Yeah.
Remember, I said to you, I'm not good spelling. I didn't go to school. Anyway, go back to the terminal.
Yeah. Terminal.
And now enter. Voila. It opens up this for us. Yeah. And it does know that you have 3 commits. There's one commit, and it's made a change to a file, and this is why it's good to be able to specify which commit. So currently, I was expecting 6 commits, but it's bringing only 3. Anyway, let's see. So this is the interactive one. So this opens an editor. This is, I think it's using Nano. Yeah, Nano to open for you. You could probably specify which editor you want to use to update this. Okay, so this is an interactive way. So what we're going to do is so we are going to pick some of them. Yeah.
Okay.
And we're going to squash some of them. Okay.
Mhm.
So let's pick the last one. So the last one says pick. Yeah, pick.
This one.
So the first one, you see where it says pick, we leave it as it is.
Okay.
And then the next one, we will change pick to squash. Yeah. So we change the last two, the bottom two,
Yeah.
to squash.
All
Just
right.
go up and
Okay. Yes. Yeah. I get you.
yeah. So
So
just edit this file and remove pick on line 2 to squash, and remove pick. You can't use it will not work. It's this is a terminal, so you can only use
okay.
up and down arrow. Yeah.
Yeah.
Up and down arrow, backspace, and stuff. So this is a terminal. So yeah.
Okay.
So you type squash, small letters.
Oh. Mm.
Dude, for the one at the top.
The top.
No, the middle.
Yeah. Is I.
So what's happening here is, if you put squash to each one, all the ones that you've put squash, they will merge everything that you've squashed to the top one.
Mm.
Everything will be put to the top one. Okay. Yeah.
Yeah.
So Nano, after you finished, you can Control X, as in X-ray. Control X.
Okay.
Did it work? And then Y. Y to save the modified. It says a file to write. Nano is not mine. To save and quit Nano, I go to Google. Yeah, so press
I think we
Control
have to click enter.
Control plus S, and then if it gives you Y, you say Y and enter.
Okay. So do you want me to cancel first?
No. Control
Doing
X.
Control X. S.
Just enter now, and let's see. Enter. That's it. And then, okay, so when you entered, it's open another file. Okay, this is to combination of 3 commits. Yeah, this is the first commit message, the second commit. So basically, when you went to the file, it's open, giving you this again. Yeah, and so on and so forth. So please enter the commit message for your change. So now it's creating a new commit, and it's saying that if you read all of this, which will ignore an empty message about the message or whatever. So here, changes to be modified. You modified don't look, you modified this, you modified this. So now basically what we are doing is we want one commit message. Okay. We want one commit message.
Mm-hmm.
Basically, at the top, this is commit message 2, commit message 3. At the top, you will put go to the top, the first line, and enter. Yep. And then at the very top, put your commit message. Put proper English, proper description of what all of this is all about. Say combined all three commits. I combined all three commits, all my commits, which made changes to all the files with the food I like best and my name, kind of something like that. So today I'm introducing to the what. It needs to be in your head that you can add commits together. Okay, that's all I want you to know. You can add commits together. How to do it? Google. All you have to do is to go to Google and type how to merge commits, multiple commits together, and the way to do it will come. So I'm introducing you to how, what, and why. Remember, all I'm here to do is to give you the what and why. The how is on the internet. Okay. And then again, you exit. So this is your new commit for all the changes you're doing. So exit.
Yeah.
Control
So
X.
these ones will it also be part of the message? The ones that's not being commented?
No, I think Git will do its own thing. It knows that this is the commit that is merging together. It's going to create all of this one commit with this name. Okay. So exit. Control X and Y and enter. Voila. So here it says that I combined all three commits, made changes to these three files with my favorite food, the date you did it, and three files changed, successful rebase, and updated reference, blah, blah, blah. So do git log again, and let's see what has happened. Voila. Okay. So here you can see that, okay, what's going on? Make changes to a file is a commit. Make changes to a file is a commit.
So those three are still there.
I was expecting it to go after entering a commit message for the new combined commit. The interactive rebase is completed, and the three old commits has been squashed into one. Okay.
Bernard, what I think is that the head, when you mention head 3, you are saying only 3 commit. That's why we are seeing still the other 6 remaining.
This guy is cool. This guy is cool. All right, quit here again. This guy is cool. Let's do it again. So this one, do how many commits? 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's do the same command again. Let's do 4 because there's 4 commits. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's see. You see, we're all learning. Head 4. Enter.
Yeah.
You see? So we are okay, but we want to squash. Go back again. Exit and let's go to the logs again.
Okay.
So the first one is this one. The last one is 2C72. 2C72. Do the command again. Quit and do the command again. And let's go and find 2C72. C72, where is it? 2C72 is not there. Is it the first line it takes, or go back again to the quit? Log again. I think it takes the first one. So the first line is 9684B. 9684. No.
Where are you reading?
You say the commit yellow line. After commit, I'm reading the digits, last one. Come to the last one.
This one.
No, the last one before the main red. Go up one. Yeah, this one. So this one, I read the last 4 line digits. Now I'm reading the first 4, which is B0EC92. B0EC92. So go back to B0EC92. Let's go and find that one. B0EC92. So quit here. Clear and log and run the command again. Yep. Enter. Yeah, you see B0C792. So what we're going to do is we're going to squash the first 4, the first 3.
That's 3.
Yeah. So just type squash. So guys, what you're going to do is we're going to count the commits, and then when the head, we are going to put the number of commits we want to add together. Well done, Alphonse. No, don't add any message.
Oh God, what did I do? I'm okay there. I was moving it down. I don't know what.
So Control X.
Okay.
Control X and no N.
Yeah.
And then do it again. So you didn't save it. So just change the pick to squash. That's it. Pick to squash.
Okay.
And then Control X. Yes. Enter.
Okay.
Cannot squash without a previous commit. Okay. Okay, 1 minute. So when we finish, I think there's something we need to do. You cannot squash with a previous commit. Okay. Now go back again, head 4. I think we messed up your stuff.
Okay.
It says, it seems that there is already a rebase merge directory, blah, blah, blah. I wonder if you would want to.
Yeah, that's the same event to me. You can see even his branch has something in it now. Rebase in it.
Anyway,
Well, let's pick another guinea pig then.
Yeah, Chris, I told people not to follow up. There's a reason why I said that. So, Chris, share your screen. I hope you haven't followed up. This is getting into the advanced part where you need to be able to fix these things. Anyway, Chris, share your screen. Let's use you as a guinea pig. Chris, Alphonse, let's use you. Chris is not here. Is he here?
Yes, I was on mute.
Okay. Share your screen and go to your terminal. I hope you didn't follow along.
No, not really.
Okay, good. Not really or no?
Can you see my screen?
Yes, go to the terminal.
So I have just
we are only seeing Teams.
A.
You're saying A. Basically, guys, all I'm telling you is that you can do multiple commits and have the ability to merge it together. Okay. You did 4.
Yes.
Close this. exit, Control X, Control X. You need to, yeah, do git log again. How many you got? We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Enter, go down a little bit. How many? You got only 4. You only changed 4. Okay, you only changed 4.
Yeah, only 4.
Okay, so let's
So
do yours.
this
Let's
is-
do yours. There's only 4. 1, 2, 3, 4 commits. Okay, let's do yours. Quit here. And then you put, so you're going to merge. No, you got go up. Don't type again. Come on. Yeah, and enter. So you're merging 4, and the 4 are here. Well done, Alphonse. I didn't know that. So we're going to squash the last 3 and leave the top 1. So all you do is change pick to squash. Basically, we are saying that put all these ones into the top 1. That's it. Guys, you can do the same. Remember, squash small letters. Remember, you need to count the commits that you have done that you want to merge together. So everybody can do this now. We messed up Eddie. I'm not ready to fix issues today. So what Eddie will have to do is to just delete the project and do it again.
Thank you.
That's going to be the same case to me as well.
Yeah. Next time you listen, I told you not to do anything. No, you leave that one. What you do is discussion.
Oh, yeah. So, sorry.
Pick. Yeah. And then Control X. This is nano. Control S is nano. It's got nothing to do with you're exiting. You want to save the file. So Control S, and he said it's asking, do you want to modify this file? You say yes, and then you enter. And then GitHub will say, oh, you are actually merging these 3, these 4. Give me a new. What are you doing?
Hey,
What did you do? What's the rush for?
I
You're saying here.
hope I didn't mess it up.
Is it still there? No, you're squashing. No, cancel, exit, and quit. Now do git log and let's see. Basically, you didn't put any message. You rushed. There's no reason to rush. See what happened. So you didn't put any message. You were meant to actually put a message, but anyway, that git commit tells you that you have added those things together. Okay. If you do again, what you're going to do is you're going to merge everything that we did last week, June 8. Today is June 8. Oh, there's more. Oh, you left one. You left one. So that today there's another commit called Luke's changes of it was John Luke who made that change this morning. Okay, it's not even you. So yours has been merged, Achina. But it would have been best to have taken your time to also add another message. You could have deleted all these messages and add one message. Okay.
How do you do that? How do you do that?
I like it. So let's edit a commit message. Okay. Let's edit the last commit message. I'm going to Google, edit the last commit message. Yeah. And the command you do, today we're doing that as well. Okay. It's going to be git commit amend. So quit here. And I'm going to add this. I think let's do it interactive. Type git commit amend and let's see. Git commit amend. Enter and let me see what will happen. Dash amend. Sorry, dash amend. And amend the single letter. Not single M, single M. I'm not the only one who doesn't know how to spell. That's good.
All right.
Enter. See? And now it's giving you opportunity to change your commit message. Yeah. So today we learned these two things. So delete everything at the top. All the I have merged, I have merged, I have merged. Delete all of it. Remember, you can't delete with cursor. It can only be arrow up and down, backspace.
These ones.
Yeah, all everything in the white. And then type a very good information about what you've done. So here it says you modified Alphonse, Abdullah, John Luke, and Paul. So you added the food you like best to everybody's file. Simple. So let me add this to the document. What's going on here? And then exit, Control X, yes, and enter. Y and enter. Y and enter. Voila. Git log again. And you see, as you can see, the last commit was John Luke, and now your commit is 1. Everything that you've done today has been put into 1. Okay, since John Luke did his commit. That's it. So, who has any questions? Now, to complete the task, we're going to then push these changes to GitHub. Okay, so git push origin, the branch that you're in name, Chris week 1. So git push. And then there's capital letters. That's why I don't start with capital letters. You can't tab. So it's a capital letter and then tab. Capital W. There's 2 of them. So you need to specify which. Capital W. It's a capital man. And then tab. Exactly. And enter. So everything you've done now, you're pushing to GitHub. You're putting it into cloud. Put your username and your token, and it will then go there.
So I'll have to go create the token now.
No, the token you've already created. Did you have to save it somewhere safe? It's in here somewhere. Did you not?
I thought that I thought the token was just for a day, so it expired.
Oh, okay. I mean, I didn't put expiry date, so it's my token. Anyway, if you're not going to put expiry date, don't share your screen. If you're going to put expiry date, share your screen. Basically, it should be a habit to you to not let anybody else see your token, because if I see it and it's in a recording, that means I can actually impersonate you. This is your password, boys. But if you're going to expire it in a day, then there's no point. Or you can do it in another browser. Don't share that.
Yeah, that's what I'm doing at the minute.
So we got introduced to Squash, which is the command was we did the interactive way. Okay, interactive way. Please, everybody should get to this stage where you've done your squash, except Eddie. Eddie will fix you before we go. You've done your squash. Well, I will fix you before we go. And if Joshua, if you have time, I can help you with your AWS and your Cloud9 at least. You have squashed everything and you're pushing your code to GitHub. When you push your code to GitHub, raise up your hand, please. Chris, Eddie, what you have to do is to just delete the Bernard to delete folder. So just go into your environment. You can share your screen actually while everybody's pushing their code. Share your screen. Let's take it through. In fact, let me stop recording. We've finished doing the squash. Morning. We finished doing the squashing.